Welcome everyone. Last class আমি mean, median, mode etc. আমি discuss কৰিছো. So far we have already covered all the topics related to central tendency, right? Arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean, and then median and mode or বিষয় already discuss কৰা হৈ গৈছে, which are commonly known as measures of central tendency. So আজি আমি এটা নতুন type of measures discuss কৰিম, that is called measures of location. Measures of location. So under measures of location we have three different measures. Number one is called quartiles, number two is called deciles, and number three is called percentiles. Right? So these three measures tells you about how many percentage of data below a value and how many percentage of data above a value, right? So to understand quartiles, dhori lo eta straight line ase, right? This is a straight line and your objective is to divide this straight line, divide this straight line into 4 equal parts. Amar uddesho hol je ei jitu straight line dal ase, straight line dalok ami 4ta equal parts ot bhag koribo lage. Now in that case we will have to cut in 3 places. So tumi jodi 3ta place ot tak jodi cut kori dia tetia hi 4ta equal parts ot bhag hoi jabo, right? This is one part, this is one part, this is one part, and this is one part. Sarita part, and sarita part of the etia jodi total tok jodi moi 100 boli dhori lo, if the total amount is 100 teta hole this is 1/4, right? Sarita equal part mane ki e 4 bhagor 1 bhag, eo 4 bhagor 1 bhag, u 4 bhagor 1 bhag, and u 1/4, right, of the entire area. And 100 or 1/4 ki hobo is 25, 25, 25, and 25. So the entire is 100%, right? 100% mane gutei khini. So tare 1/4 means 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. So if I divide a line into 4 equal parts, each of them has 25% of area, right? 25%. So the value which divides your observation, je tumi kisuman data collect korisa, your data is in numbers, right? Tumi data collect korisa, that is suppose 10 or pra start hoise up to say 100 loke goise. Let's say it start from 10 to 100. So there will be a number je tumar, there are 3 numbers actually. Tumar ei gute data to 3ta number thakibo, hey 3ta number e tumar gute data tok 4ta equal parts ot bhag korise. It's basically ekdom simple bhakat kobo loga hole je tumar suppose data to ei gute complete etu data, then you are dividing your data into 4 equal sections, so that yak tumi belekke suppose tak treatment dibo para, yak belekke and yak belekke koribo bisarisa, right? So group 4ta group banaisa tumi, right? So ei je group banabor karone je ami value to lom jak base kori, those are called 3ta ase, so these are called quartiles, right? Quartiles boli koy. So this is nothing but these points are a point to এইটো এটা পয়েন্ট, এইটো এটা পয়েন্ট, এইটো এটা পয়েন্ট, যে 3টা পয়েন্টে তোমাৰ এন্টায়ার ডেটা সেটটো 4টা ইকুয়াল ভাগত ভাগ কৰে, তাহাতক কোয়ার্টাইলস বুলি কয়. সো কোয়ার্টাইলস stands for 4 actually. Decile stands for 10 and parcellile stands for 100, right? So নামটো দেখিলেই তোমালোকে গম পাই যাবা যে quad means 4, so quartiles, so 4টা, decile is 10 and percentile is 100. So এই প্রথম পয়েন্টক Q1 বুলি কয়, ফার্স্ট কোয়ার্টাইলস. 2 নম্বৰ পয়েন্টক Q2 বুলি কয়, সেকেন্ড কোয়ার্টাইলস, and 3 নম্বৰ পয়েন্টক Q3 বুলি কয়, that is third quartiles. Okay, so first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. এটা ইয়াত দেখিবা যে তুমি যদি 4টা ইকুয়াল পার্টত ভাগ হৈ আছে if your parts are 4 equal that means up to this value you have 25% value, up to this you have 50%, right? Up to this point you have 75% and up to this you have the entire 100%. এটা 50% means tar middle ot, right? Jo 50% tolot 50% uporot ase. So there was another measurement which do the exactly same thing je majote value to loi adha adha bhag kori dia, that is called median, right? So median ro kam hetu asile je tuma gote data set to hi duta equal part ot bhag kori dia, right? So he karone tuma ki ko pari je q2 e kore 50-50, so q2 is nothing but median. So he karone question ot jedia ketiaba tumak jodi q2 calculate koribo die, q2 calculate korisa and tumi already suppose median or value to jana ba tumi median or formula use kori basic comfortable. So basically formula to ekei hoy, quartiles or you calculate kora formula ji ase, medians ot calculate kora formula to ekei, similar, they share similar structure. So ultimately q2 tumi median calculate kora ase jodi q2 calculate koribo na lage, q2 and median are the same thing, right? So that is about quartiles. Eta jodi tumi he eketa line ok if you have to divide them into 10 equal parts, so let me be precise, okay? So let's draw a line this, right? So you have 1 point here, then suppose 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 suppose, okay? So this is your line, this is your values, these are the cutoff values, right? So ami adal line ok 10 ta equal parts ot bhag korisu, right? So ei 10 ta jodi equal parts ot bhag korisa you will need 9 points. So this is your first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9 point. So ei 9 point keita deciles boli koy. This is your first decile, second decile, third decile, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8 and 9 decile. So unlike tumar quartiles ot ki asile jodi 4ta bhag korisa 100 4ta bhag hobo, right? 100% or 4ta bhag hobo, so 25% hoy gese. But yate ki hoise je 10 ta bhag hoise, right? So 10 ta bhag hoise mane 100 or 10 bhag korle protekto bhagore 10% ahibo. So this distance is 10%, this distance is 20%, and sorry, up to this is 30% and so on, right? So 10% increase hoy jaibo. So once you meet the middle value, that is d5, that will be 50%. And again uporotu tar 50% thakibo, right? So 50% bhag kora bostu tuke ami naam disilu median, right? So that is median. So basically in case of deciles d5 is the median, right? Eta next suppose amak ki ase the observation ok ami ebar 100 equal parts koribo lage, 100 equal parts 100টা ভাগত ভাগ কৰিব লাগে, right? So 100টা ভাগত ভাগ কৰিব লগা হলে you will need 99 points. So 99 টা তুমি এনেকে কাট কৰিব লাগিব when you will get a 100 equal parts. So hey 99 points কেটা কি বুলি কোৱা হয়, these are called percentiles. Now this word percentile is very frequently used in competitive examination. আজিকালি প্ৰায়ভাগ কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামিনেশ্যনতে তোমাক ৰিজাল্টটো পাৰ্চেণ্টাইলছত ৰিপৰ্ট কৰে। চ' সেই পাৰ্চেণ্টাইলছৰ অৰ্থটো হ'ল যে ছাপ'জ ছামৱান গট 99 পাৰ্চেণ্টাইল, 99 পাৰ্চেণ্টাইল পোৱাৰ অৰ্থটো হ'ল যে যিমান ষ্টুডেণ্টে এক্সামিনেশ্যন দিছিলে ডেট ইজ ইয়ৰ এণ্টায়াৰ ডেটা ৰাইট যিমানে পাইছিলে সিহঁতৰ মাৰ্কছখিনি যদি তুমি নোট ডাউন কৰা ডেট ইজ ইয়ৰ ডেটা চ' 99% অফ ইয়ৰ ডেটা মিনছ 99% ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ মাৰ্ক সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টতকৈ কম আছে ডেট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ 99 পাৰ্চেণ্টাইল right nowadays with modern computer and calculation তুমি even fraction to calculate korbo para je 99.68 karobar percentile 99.68 yar ortho to hol je 99.68% student or marks hey particular candidate ke kom ase right so that is the use of so basically percentiles measures of location percentile decile quartiles or use hol je hi তোমাক ক'ব যে এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ভ্যালুতকে কিমান পাৰ্সেন্ট ডেটা তলত আছে ৰাইট বা 50-20-50% বা 25% ডেটা পিছত কোনটো ভ্যালু আছে তো देयर आर सम লোকেশন যে এই যে ভ্যালু কেটা কিয় লোকেশন বুলি কৈছে যে এই লোকেটেড ভ্যালু কেটাৰ পৰা আমি ভ্যালু কেটা গম পোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমি গম পাই যাম যে ওকে সো তুমি সাপোজ কৰবাত পালা যে q1 is 23 ওকে so logalaga tumi gom paba je okay there are 25% people or items or value which is less than 23 tumi korbar pala q2 equal to median is equal to suppose 35 so logalaga tumi gom pai jaba je okay 50% item are less than 35 equal ke 50% kom ase and 50% beshi ase similarly q3 tumi pai gola je suppose 45 so tetia instantly tumi gom paba je okay 75% of my data is less than 45 and 25% are greater than 45 okay so teneke use kora jay quartiles now how to measure quartiles are basically measured for group data and ungroup frequency karno calculate koribo para tumi but we will study only about group data so group data karne group frequency data karne quartiles decimal percentile ulwa the entire concept is exactly similar like median ulaute ami ji dhorono approach korisilu exactly same approach ote tumi quartiles decimal percentiles calculate koribo lage so median ulwar karne ami ki korisilu there was a formula to আমি এপ্লাই কৰিব কাৰণে we need to know যে median class কি হয় রাইট কোনটো median class তো তাত আমি কি কৰিছিলো যে total frequency capital N calculate কৰিছিলো so we used to calculate N তাৰ পিছত আমি n/2 calculate কৰিছিলো n/2 ৰ ভ্যালু এটা পাইছিলো then আমি কি কৰিছিলো যে cumulative frequency calculate কৰিছিলো so number 1 N number 2 N2 and number 3 FC cumulative frequency then ami bisarisilu je cumulative frequency which is greater than n/2 right here amak dibo median class right so median class ulaisilu and then the formula was for median the formula was L plus n/2 minus FC by F into H right it is lower class limit to n/2 it is cumulative frequency before median class it is frequency of median class and class width etia in case of quartiles decile and percentile our structure to similar eitore hoy only thing that will differ is this value right a value to change hobo okay so let's start with quartiles quartiles are three values in our data set not in our data set let's three value which divide the entire data set into 4 equal parts. Okay, the 3 quartiles. The 3 quartiles are called first quartile Q1, second quartile Q2, and third quartile Q3. It is to be noted that the second quartile Q2 is equal to the median. Okay, so তাৰপিছত লিখিবা the formula for the ith. Yet I goes from first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. Ith quartile is Qi is equal to L plus I into n by 4 minus Fc by F into H. So median logot completely eke formula structure to only thing different is this part. A part to khali beleg. That n by 2 asile yat I by 4. Ya I by 4 or ortho to whole je I goes from 1, 2 and 3. So I equal to 1, 2 আৰু 3 বহাব লাগিলে বহাই দিলে so তুমি I equal to 1 বহালে 1 4 so n by 4 হ'ব 2 বহাই দিলে এটো কি হৈ যাব যে 2 into 2 বহাই দিলে when n I equal to 2 you will get 2 into n by 4 2 cancel out all you got n by 2 so n by 2 হৈ গলে এই টার্মটো that reduced to the formula of median so হি median হৈ যাব so I equal to 1 বহালে n by 4 হ'ব আৰু I equal to 3 বহালে it will be 3 times of n by 4 so that is your quartiles so ইয়াত লিখিবা where L is lower limit H is class width okay F is frequency of ith quartile class Fc is cumulative frequency just before the ith quartile class okay So precisely যদি লিখিব লাগে q1 ৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ল l plus n by 4 minus fc by f into h এইটো হ'ল q1 q2 ৰ ভ্যালুটো হ'ব l plus n by 2 minus fc by f into h okay and q3 value hobo l plus 3 times of n by 2 minus fc by f into h right so ekita whole formula for quartiles eta calculation approach to ekei tumi prothomote tat ulabo lagibo cumulative frequency bur calculate koribo lagibo eta medianor khetrot so the deciding factor is always this part এইটো সদায় ডিসাইডিং ফ্যাক্টর হয় তোমার এইটো সো মিডিয়ানত এইটো ডিসাইডিং ফ্যাক্টর কাৰণে আমি n/2 কে ডাঙৰ কিউমুলেটিভ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্সি লৈছিলো ৰাইট ইয়াত কি কৰিব লাগিব তুমি n/4 কে ডাঙৰ কিউমুলেটিভ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্সি ল'ব লাগিব আৰু ইয়াতে 3n/2 কে ডাঙৰ তুমি কিউমুলেটিভ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্সি ল'ব লাগিব so that's the only difference বাকিখিনি গুটে একে everything same so that's quartile so ami prothomote definition bur dilo quartile design and then we will go for numerical calculation so that is quartiles now let's go to deciles okay so decile is deciles divide the data into 4 equal parts right sarita equal parts or divide kore right? They are denoted by d1 d2 up to koleke d9 it is to be noted that d5 is indeed the median right so d5 a median hai the ith decile is given by the formula so decile er khetrot ki hobo di is equal to l plus I into n by 10 ta bhag korisile so 10 minus fc by f into h ইয়াতে i ৰ ভ্যালু কোৰ পৰা যাব পাৰে 1 ৰ পৰা 2 গৈ 9 লকে যাব পাৰে right so that is deciles first decile second decile up to nth decile right so বাকি গুটেখিনি তোমাৰ এই যেটো টার্মস যেটো ইউজ কৰিছিল আমি লোৱাৰ ক্লাস লিমিট বাকি গুটেখিনি সেম বস্তু কনসেপ্ট একে so that is decile now let's go to percentiles percentiles ki hoise that this divides the data into 100 equal parts to 100 equal parts they are denoted as first percentile, second percentile up to 99th percentile, right? 99th percentile. It is to be noted that percentile or 50 number is the median of the data, right? Median to a hoy. So the ith percentile is given by the formula pi l plus I এবাৰ কি হ'ব 100 ডিভাইড হৈছে সো 100 minus fc by f into h যত I কোৰ পৰা যাব পাৰে 1 ৰ পৰা 2 up to 99 লৈকে so they have the same structure একেই ধৰণৰে ফৰ্মুলা খালি চেঞ্জ হৈ গৈ থাকে যে quartiles divided by 4 হয় percentiles divided by 100 hobo and deciles divided by 10 hobo baki gutekhini concept ekdom same right so let's do an exercise jitut ami percentiles quartiles and deciles calculate korim okay so exercise calculate Q3 D7 and P35 from the following data right Q3 means third quartiles D7 means 7th decile and P35 means 35th percentile so data to dia ase 0 to 15 15 to 30 30 to 45 45 to 60 60 to 75 75 to 90 and 90 to 105 these are the class intervals so class interval then frequency dia ase f are 8 26 30 45 20 17 and 4 right so jehetu quartiles kotha instantaneously ami this is question eta ami additional key lagibo cumulative frequency ulabo lagibo so first is 8 then 8 plus 26 is 34 then 34 plus 30 is 64 64 plus this is 109 then 109 and 20 is 129 129 and 70 is 146 146 and 4 is 150 right so that is your required data tat bahire ekunala so solution so ami prothomte jiketa formulas hobo so q3 formula ki hobo q3 is l plus 3 by n by 4 minus fc by f into h d7 formula ki hobo d7 is l plus tomar 7 hole it will be 7 times of n by 10 minus fc by f into h, and p35 means l plus 35 times of n by 100 minus fc by f into h. Ekita hol formula. So start with q3. So q3 karone number 1 for q3, right, ki koribo lagibo q3 karone deciding factor kuntu hoy, this is the deciding factor 3n by 4, right? So n ki hoy yate total number n is 150, right, because cumulative frequency last value to a total n. So n for n is equal to 150. So ami 3 times of n by 4 calculate koribo lage, which is 3 into 150 by 4, right? So this is equal to 112.5. এটা কামটো হল যে তুমি বিচাৰি উলাব লাগে a value cumulative frequency which is just greater than this 112.5. so that is this, right? এইটো হ'ব. so that means your 129 or যেটো 60 to 75 is your q3 class. এইটো q3 class হ'ব. okay, therefore q3 class is 60 to 75. so ever class orai joar loge loge tumi median ot generate korisila, you have to here l is equal to 60, h is equal to 60 aro 75 or major difference kiman 15 or. so h f ki hoy mane he class interval to tumar kiman frequency asile 20, and fc means tar agor means a2 109, right? therefore q3 is l means 60 plus n by n 3 times of n by 4 kiman paisilo ami 112.5 minus fc ki asile. so the formula was l plus 3 times of n by 4 minus fc by f by h, right? so yate minus fc means 109, f kiman 20, and h is equal to your 15. so the value is 60 plus this will be 2.625. so that means 62.625 is the third quartile q3 palu ami. Eta next ami 2 number for d7 ulabo lage. Eta d7 or karone ki koribo lagibo, you will have to find 7 times of n by 10, right? so 7 times of n by 10 kiman hobo tumar, this is equal to 7 into 150 by 10. so this is equal to 105. so 105 ot ke dangor cumulative frequency ki ase 109 that ke dangor. so that means 45 to 60 is the, therefore 45 to 60 is the d7 class. here l ki hobo lower limit, that is 45, h ki hobo that is 15, f ki hobo he class tur in frequency, f is 45, a2 tumar d7 class, this is the d7 class, and a d7 class ot tumar 45 is the frequency, and class cumulative frequency before that is 64. So 45 and FC is 64, right? 64. Therefore D7 ki hobo? D7 of formula to ki asile? It is L plus F 7 times of n by 10 minus FC by F into H, right? So yate L ki hol 45 plus 7 times of n by 10 is 105 minus FC means 64 divided by F means 45 into your height is 50. So you will get 45 plus, so this you will get as 13.67, which is equal to 58.67. So that is your D7. Next we are to find P35. P35 lage. So number 3 for P35 we need 35 n by 100, which is 35 into 150 by 100, which is equal to 52.5. okay, so 52.5. so etia amak lage je 52.5 at ke dangor cumulative frequency ki ase. So this is the table and 52 ke dangor cumulative frequency is 64. So that means this is your P35 class. So our L hobo 30, right? F hobo 30, FC hobo 34, H hobo 15, right? So we have therefore 30 to 45 is the P35 class. Okay, here here L is 30, H is 15, F is again 30, right, and FC is 34. Now P35 of formula asile L plus 35 types of n by 100 minus FC by F into H. So etut bohale ami ki pam 30 plus 39 and 100 ki paisu 52.5 minus FC is 34, F is 30 and width is 50. So you will get 30 plus 9.25. So that is 39.25, which is the answer, right? So we got P35, D7 and Q3, right? আমি প্ৰথমতে Q3 উলালো, then we found out D7 and then we found out P35. P35 is 39.25, D7 is your 43.67, sorry, D7 is 53, D7 is 58.67 and Q3 is 62.625. Okay, 62.625, and this one is 58.67. So ekita whole question, and this is how we calculate quartiles, deciles and percentiles. I hope tumaloke buji paisa. Their concept is same. The concept is as exactly same as median. Median ji dhorone approach to koru eketa formula structure to eke. So these three, quartiles, deciles and percentiles, are called measures of location because yote location. Now initially tumalokor for syllabus this quartiles, deciles and percentiles of graphically denote kora je kenake graph use kori jeneke median ojibo pora calculate koribo pari thik tera quartile, decile and percentiles ojibo pora calculate koribo pari less than type ojibo pora. That was included in your syllabus, but right now it is dropped for this pandemic, so we will skip that. I mean, next start korim with measures of dispersion. So that's all for today. See you in the next class.